Hey guys, so today I'm going to be opening something massive. It's enormous, it's thick, and it's sick. That's right. I'm going to be unboxing a 4080. It's a 4080's Founders Edition, and it's heavy as flips. So I'll compare sizes with my 3080 Founders Edition that I have right here, and it should be fun. I love comparing sizes. Ooh. Nice. Delicious. This box weighs like at least 5 pounds. Oops. So it's pretty massive, especially if you compare it. If you're comparing it to the Founders Edition 3080. Yeah, so it's definitely more than two boxes bigger than the previous generation. So I guess that's cool. Bigger's better. Sometimes. It's pretty massive. Let's see how you open this bad boy. Oh yeah. This looks delicious. I can't even grab it. I'll put it in front for now. That's a huge difference. So when you're comparing the sizes, this thing is just massive. Obviously the 4080 is a triple slot GPU versus a dual slot GPU on the 3080. Zing! This is what you'll see when it's in the case. Look at the difference in thickness. Holy crap. This is definitely a thick boy. 3080, 4080. Now let's compare them on paper. Let's see what specs we're working with, and we'll just compare them side by side. Now when you compare it to the 3080 that I have, it's about 61% faster, and their average scored about 67% better. I would attribute that to more memory. You get 16 gigs versus 10 gigs on the 3080, and then the 3080 Ti has 12 gigs. Not only that, your clock speeds are gonna be a lot faster. You're at 2.51 gigahertz on the 4080. On the 3080, you're at 1.71. And on the 3080 Ti, you're at 1.67. You do get more CUDA cores. On the 4080, you get 9,728. On the 3080 that I have, you get 8,704. Now it's interesting to note that the 3080 Ti does have more CUDA cores than the 4080. You get 10,240. Now you may ask, what is a CUDA core? CUDA is an abbreviation for Compute Unified Device Architecture. It is a name given to the parallel processing platform and API, which is used to access the Nvidia GPU's instruction set directly. That didn't tell me anything. So I Googled, does more CUDA mean more Gouda? Usually when you have more CUDA cores, you have a faster GPU, but that's not the case with this 4080 if you're comparing it to the 3080 Ti. It still has more CUDA cores than the 3080, but yeah. Not only that, the 4080 is probably able to handle more power more efficiently because of its massive size. It has bigger fans, it has a bigger heatsink, so it should be able to perform better and more efficiently when it's under heavy load, whether it's gaming or whatever else you do. Everything about this GPU is massive when you compare it to the 3080. So just by looking at it on paper and physically, you're gonna have 6 more gigs of video RAM, you're gonna have faster clock speeds, and you're gonna have massive heat sinks and massive fans when you compare it to the 3080, which should help under heavy load. It should be able to handle power more efficiently, and it should be able to cool the processor a lot better, which should in turn give you better performance. So in the next video, I'll be pairing it with the 13600K. Excited to see what happens. And yeah, I'll be posting a video where I benchmark it, stress test it, record temps and performance. Yeah, I'll be posting that soon, so just be on the lookout for that. It's gonna be really cool.